Damn Evo.
We're like big kids, man. It's great today, yeah.
I'm really starting to hate this thing. EazyBoyz car care. Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate. Before we get started, don't forget to drop us a like, comment and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 1,000 subscribers. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. We are almost there. Yes. Back to today, very exciting announcement. Accelerate are officially partnering with EazyBoyz car care.
EazyBoyz car cleaning products offer a wide range of different stuff that will clean your cars. Some ceramic waxes, ceramic quick detailers, just to name a few. If you go check out their website, there's a full range on there. As our supporters though, he's actually granting you 15%.
Yep.
So the code will be Excel15, just below. But,
we'll put the links in the description below with our code, so just simply go onto the site and the checkout, put that code and we will give you 15% off absolutely everything.
And I'm not just saying it because of this, but his products are amazing. They really, really are good stuff.
Yeah, we want to say at the moment, this is not a sponsorship as such. This is just two small companies supporting each other. Already he's done so much for us. Just to say, I'm not one to really clean my cars as such, but Kenny, I mean,
paintwork.
Yeah, yeah, like we'll drift over that. But Ken, you don't use, you don't use inferior products.
I've always used like top end stuff.
He's very fussy.
Yeah,
basically.
I am really, really fussy, and I gotta be honest, the EazyBoyz ceramic wax is what I've used on this.
Yeah.
I have not touched it with a wash mitt since. It literally slow foams down, quick detailer, and it's immaculate.
Yeah.
That ceramic wax is superb, and the detailer is amazing.
So, and Jen, even for me, I've actually bought some stuff off him as well. So hopefully it's encouraged me to clean my cars.
Clean your windows at least in the house.
Honestly, guys, check him out, and as I said, use our code, and you'll get 15% off.
Yes.
Back to today.
Yeah.
We are, as always, there's a few little things we need to do to the Evo.
Yeah, never-ending list.
Yeah, but we thought we would do something a bit special. We are going to be delivering those of you that supported us on our last merch drop. It just went nuts, didn't it?
Yeah, we've had such high demand.
Yeah, so the response from you guys has been phenomenal. So we thought, you know what? We're going to hand deliver them to a select few.
Which are local to us.
Yeah, which are local.
Yeah.
And Kenny's made my day because I thought, oh great, we'll take the daily, but
we'll take the Evo. We'll take that.
That's right. We're going to be
our customers.
Going to be hand delivering our merch in the Evo. So let's get stuck into it.
Let's do it.
So, our first stop, one of our OG supporters supported us from the very beginning. We always get caught up in numbers and things like that, but when you see the supporters behind the figures, so this is Gavin.
I've known Gavin for, what, 16 years?
Plus, yeah.
He's a massive petrolhead like ourselves, so he bought a nice hoodie and t-shirt off us with all the new stuff on it. So
thank you very much.
So we always want to say
thank you for the support.
Appreciate it literally from the start. So this is one of the OGs. So yeah, one of these guys makes it all worth it.
And now we're going to take him out for a blast in the Evo.
Yep. So we like to treat our supporters. So yeah, first time you've ever been in Evo, is it?
Yes, it is. Yeah.
There we are. So yep, let's get stuck in.
Brilliant. Yes. Oh, we got a wonky camera. We're like big kids, man. It's great today. Yeah, this is fun. Yeah. What about you? Gotta let it go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
He did a
co-driver, right? Where I'd be like, come on, punch it, keep it.
Yeah. I'm gonna slow down now. And you're like, I just go for it. Yeah, come on, let's go.
Sorry. That was bang on. I try not to swear, but
No, you can.
that
You
is
can bleep it out. It doesn't like
absolutely.
the editing, but sod him. Yeah, as long as you enjoyed it, that's the main thing.
Ooh.
What do you think of that?
Yes, I love it.
It's awesome, isn't it?
That is awesome.
Yeah, that's a big compliment, isn't it? Yeah.
He eggs you on a bit as well.
Yes, good man. That's what we like.
Keep matching it, keep matching it.
What a guy. Fair play to him. So the next stop on our list got a bit of a funny story behind it. As you guys know, we did the giveaway, the hoodie giveaway, not too long ago. And when we announced the winner, which was of course David Reese, we had another David Reese, got so excited that he'd won, got in contact with Kenny saying, oh fantastic, so happy I won. And I was in contact with the other David Reese, the one that actually won. When we give the information that the first David Reese didn't win, he was genuinely gutted. And
He was devastated.
yeah, he was. But because we like to look after our supporters, we thought we'd go above and beyond, and we've actually got him a bit of a surprise. So yeah, he'll meet us when we get there. So this is how we like to look after our supporters. So this is David Reese, and you got to admit the hoodie looks great on him. So it's the first time we met him, so just want to say a massive thank you for supporting us. And yeah, so, yeah, let's see what we got next.
So we're doing some touch-ups under the bonnet of this thing because I am really embarrassed with it. I had an extra day off yesterday, so I actually started with the paintwork. So we'll cut to some of that. So now that I've actually refitted the rocker back on with its brand new colour, which I love, Drew hasn't seen it yet, so we're going to get his reaction of it.
This is nothing.
Oh, it was. Shit. I'm going to try and make sure I don't smack the bike down.
Let's try this again. I thought I was going to be the one that fell.
Good filter.
Ready?
Here we go. Here's the first initial. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, you were right. Wow. Sorry, yeah. I'll get some words out.
Yeah.
God, the way it really is a metallic finish, isn't it? Like, that's
Pearl
a
accent.
true metallic pearl finish. I'm having this colour as well. Honest, that's good choice, man.
Yeah.
Well, as you can see, the manifold's been taken off as well. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to get on with the task of wrapping it. So yeah, let's get stuck into that then. The finished result then.
Yes. Yes.
And I want to tell people, this is your first time. I mean, you've never used heat wrap before, have you? So,
no, that's right.
It's not the easiest stuff to work with. I've wrapped a couple of manifolds myself. I've never wrapped sort of a tubular or turbo manifold.
Yeah, that was my first attempt. Like I said, I'm not a professional at it.
And it's not the easiest manifold to work with. That was the point I was trying to get at. And I think, honestly, I think you've done really well. So,
yeah, well, I just hope I never have to do it again.
Yeah, it ain't coming back off, that's for sure.
No, definitely not.
Another glorious day with this damn Evo.
I'm really starting to hate this thing.
Yeah, it's all fun and games until you got to work on them.
Yeah.
But I'm sure most of you can relate. Every manifold I've done, I mean, there's always one or two nuts or bolts that are just a nightmare to get to. But on a positive note, it's done. That's something else we can tick off the old to-do list.
Yeah.
And I gotta say, I think it looks. I think it looks great.
Yeah,
I mean,
really happy with it.
I'm so glad the fake carbon's gone. Each to their own. But I think you made a really good choice.
Not each to their own, it sucks.
Well, what a day that was.
Yeah.
Some very happy customers.
Very, very happy. Nice to meet some new people as well.
Yeah, I'd say we met a few of the boys that we've never met. They've supported us for a while, so it's nice to it's nice to actually go meet them.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Great response from them, and I want to say a massive thank you to you, because in fairness, I mean, a lot of people that own Evos, and you know, rightly so, they barely take them out. I mean, we racked up a fair few miles today. So for
been on 6 hours, haven't we?
yeah. So if you just we're jumping the Evo. So no, I say massive. I respect,
that's what it's
man.
for, isn't it? The other day,
Yeah.
we've had a few messages as well, saying people saying
We've been spotted a few times today. So
are you out in the Evo? And it's like
yeah, we've had people taking pictures. Oh, it's just, like I said, it's just
Yeah,
the
it's good
response
to
has
see,
just been phenomenal.
Yeah, it's great.
So yeah, it's been a really good day, and hope you like the stuff that we did to the Evo, because I think that's come up really nice.
Yeah, the colour looks very pinky in pictures, but it is
Yeah.
purple, it's candy purple. So when you're at a show, come and see it and we'll show you.
Yeah, we'll show you. Yeah, it is better in person.
Much,
so, yeah. So yeah, I think that'll about do it for this week. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to drop us a like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way.
Nearly there.
So yep, thank you very much. We will see you guys in the next one.